Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 game on your PC. So first open up your any browser and just head over to the Steam website and just create the Steam account. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After you create the Steam account, just click on the install Steam option you will see on the top, and after that just click on the install Steam option and just download and install the Steam on your PC or Windows device. And after you install the Steam, just open up the Steam, then just click on the top search box and just type here Poppy Playtime, and you will find the Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 game on the first page. So just open up this game and just scroll down and you will find the option of add to cart. So just click on this option and then click on the option of view my cart. Now guys, just click on this continue to payment and go ahead, just pay the amount. And after you pay the amount for this game will be added to your library of Steam. Just go to your library of Steam, then just select the game that you just paid for. Once you find it, just click on that, then just click on the install option. And guys, that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, please like this video and thanks for watching.